how to use background remover in NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your laptop, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type NanoBanana.AI and head over to its official website. Once you are inside the site, make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, scroll down until you see AI editor section. Here you will find two options: image to image and text to image. Let's select image to image and upload the photo you want to edit by tapping add image. To remove the background, tap on the main prompt field and type a simple instruction such as remove background or cut out the subject and remove background. Type a simple instruction such as remove background or cut out the subject and remove background. Once you are done writing the prompt, tap on the Generate Now button. NanoBanana AI will process a request and give you a new version of image without background. You can then download the result and even use it for further edits like editing a new background or applying filters. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.